using the copy previous function. And so we are in a patient file. We're going to go ahead and start a new note. So we'll click on the plus icon. That will open up this window for us to be able to select which provider, location, time, date, all of that. We'll click OK, and this will open up a brand new note. Now, when we get that note opened, you will see icons right at the top where you'll see a printer icon, a little pencil with a pad, and just keep moving along. And it's the fourth icon, that double sheet of paper, and it says copy previous. So you'd select that. And then it opens up on the left-hand side all of the notes that you have for this patient. And what you would be doing is determining or figuring out what note do you want to copy over. And you'll see that there's quite a few different note types that are in there. And so you would go ahead and select the one that you want to bring over. So we're going to select this note, actually the one that it's on right there. Now, if I want to take a look at that note and make sure that it's the right note, I'll come down and click Preview. And then what that'll do is open that note up, and then I can view it and say, yep, that's the note that I want. And so that is the note that I want. And so we're going to go on to the right-hand side of the screen now, and we're going to ask ourselves the question, well, what do we want to bring over from that particular note? And you can see that it breaks down into various sections and subsections so that you can be very specific about what you want to bring over, what you don't want to bring over. And so with this in mind, what we're going to go ahead and do is just bring it all over. And so I'm going to hit Select All and click OK. And it's going to ask me, are we sure? And I'm saying, yes, I'm sure. And now that note has brought over everything from the previous note into this new note now. And now from this point, I can just go right to those sections and make any changes that I need to make accordingly. And so we'll go ahead and just make a couple of changes here. We are going to say that it's now radiating to the right shoulder. We're going to say that the pain intensity now is a 3, and the prior pain intensity from the day before was a 4 that we just changed it from. Pain quality factors, okay, it's not radiating hardly nearly as much, and we have less sharp pain, and the condition is getting better. And there we've updated that subjective portion of the note. So copy previous, and at any time that you have a note open, go right to the copy previous icon, select that. It opens up the left-hand side being all the different notes that you can pull from, and then on the right-hand side, what section or subsections that you would want to pull out of that note to bring into the new note.